Okay, this is how the kittens are all doing. All their eyes are mostly open now. There's Manerva. I'm only claiming one of the kittens. I'm gonna call this one right here Hermione. She is a very playful kitten. They're playful now. And my sister is going to claim the rest. This one she's calling Stanley. Magneto. Gamora. Storm. And T'Challa, I think is what she said. I know it was after the Black Panther. So she's going with Marvel here. Marvel heroes themed going on. But I like this little fluffy butterball, so she's Hermione. Kind of linked up with Manerva here. There we go. So that's how things are going with the kittens. I know I have like maybe a couple of family members that see my videos, and maybe a few friends, like maybe, I'm not even sure. But hey, I love y'all. I wanted to share this with y'all. Oh goodness, what? Yes, so their eyes are opening. They're starting to develop their little personalities, and they're getting playful. That's good. Means they're all healthy. I'm Manerva, baby. You know, she's still over here like, I better be your favorite. Yes, you are. You're still my favorite. My girl? Well, yeah. She's adorable. I love the oddball. She's got this overbite, and it makes her so freaking cute. Which is kind of why I like Hermione here, because she's so patchy and just absolutely weird, and I find it adorable. Okay. There we go. Easy mama. Oop, oh, hi Hermione. Oop.